Hello everyone, my name is Hassam, and in this video I'm gonna go over the time, fuel and distance to climb. So in this example we have been asked to find the cruising altitude for this purpose is 7,500. So we're going to level off at 7,500 and we're going to be taking off from John Wayne Airport with this METAR information that we got recently. We have 19 degrees Celsius of temperature and the pressure altitude for today is 500 feet. So if we didn't have this pressure altitude for today and it was sea level, our job was so easy. So we had to only look at 7,500 right here between these two numbers, and we write it down right here. And the values that are important for us are time, fuel, and distance. And we look at straight right there between 15 and 12. It's going to be 13.5. Between 2.7 and 2.3, it's 2.5. As far as the fuel, and for distance it's between 19 nautical miles and 15 nautical miles, which is 70. But however, today's pressure altitude, it's gonna make us to do a second calculation, which is finally after we find these numbers we're gonna take the difference between 13.5 minus 0.5 or 30 seconds basically, as far as time wise, and we find the final number. So if you read the note 3, it says increase. It's very important to cover this note. It says increase time, fuel and distance by 10% for each 10 degree above a standard. So today we are 19 degrees Celsius. We are only 4 degrees above a standard, so therefore we have to add 4% to those values that we found. So for time, as we look here, it says 13.5 for 7,500. It's 13.5 minus 0.5. It's 13. We add it by 4%. We get 13.5 or 13.52 nautical minutes. I'm sorry. So 13 and a half roughly. And then for fuel, we have to do a further step, which is adding 1.1 gallon based on note number 2 right here. Number 1. It says add 1.1 gallon for fuel of fuel for engine start, taxi, and takeoff allowance. So we're going to add 1.1 gallon to our number. So we take the difference between 2.5 right here and 0.15, and it's we're going to add 1.1 gallon to that. It's going to be 3.45 gallons of fuel. We increase by 4% because of the temperature situation, and we got roughly about 3.5 or 3.58 gallons of fuel used from takeoff to 7,500. And we do the same thing for the distance. We added by 4%. We got 16 nautical miles, 16.64 nautical miles to take off distance wise. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we're gonna go over the next chapter, which is finding the cruise performance in the next video. Have a good one.